immortality. Well, nowadays science works a lot to prolong our years. Healthy food, clean water, medicines, quality of life increased for sure. And then I wondered, what will happen when we be able to live 500 years? Now there are 6 billion people on the planet, and it's like this number is almost the same because number of died people is not that big different from number of newborn people. There are several reasons why people die: wars, crime, disease, and they get old. So what will happen when old people will not die? We will increase our number, and for sure there will be no enough food on the planet, no enough natural resources on the planet to feed all these people. This was terrifying me. But wait, at the same time we are exploring other planets, the space. So the moment when we realize that we can live much longer, we need to be able to colonize other planets and have a system when we come to a new planet, and in very short time, 100 years, 200 years maximum, we can build their stations for other generations to come and live and habit those planets. In that case, on the new planet, we need few factors to be provided. One is atmosphere, another is magnetic fields, third is water. A few years ago, Elon Musk offered to explode 2 nuclear bombs on the poles of the Mars. That will create the cloud, nuclear cloud, and for some time it will speed up creating the atmosphere. The problem with Mars is that it doesn't have that strong magnetic field. You know, the atmosphere around our Earth is not getting into space because it's being attracted and kept with magnetic field of the Earth. On Mars, it's not that strong to keep it. One of the reasons why Mars doesn't have atmosphere. I'm talking about Mars, just like example. Wind on Mars can be very strong, very strong. I'm sure you saw the movie Martian. The things they show there, it's not a fiction. Okay, it is science fiction, but it's based on scientific data. What may happen if we go and colonize Mars? At the same time, it's very important for us to start exploring the space and colonize other planets as soon as possible, because in close future we will be able to live 10 times longer than now, and in that case we will need place to live, we will need food, we will need water, we will need air, we will need mountains, we will need just place to stand or to sit or to sleep at least. Nowadays we can generate a lot of things that we need. We cannot go on the seaside, but we can have tan by using ultraviolet lamps. We can grow the plants without the soil with hydroponics that I also was talking about. We can dive deep and be on the places where there's no air by having only our scaphandre on us. So we can probably do a lot of things. Now the problem is to find those planets, reach those planets, and start colonizing it to prepare for the next generation so they will have a place to live.